Tesla Inc. shares recorded their biggest monthly gain in almost a year to cap October with an all-time high market value. Shares of the electric vehicle maker surged 44% in October, their biggest monthly climb since November 2020. In this video, you'll be getting Tesla stock analysis, TSLA. 9. What caused the latest volatility in Tesla stock? As usual, a barrage of daily news developments about the company makes it difficult to identify a single factor for Tesla's price swings. However, the most likely contributor to Monday's pop may have been Tesla's decision to open up its network of charging points, also known as a supercharger network, to competitors in Europe. The company's decision enables non-Tesla drivers in Europe to use its charging points while paying higher prices and boosting the company's bottom line. Andrew Baglino, the company's senior vice president, told analysts during July earnings call that the decision to open up the network actually reduces our costs, which allows us to lower charging prices for all customers, make the network more profitable, allows us to grow. Some also speculated that delivery numbers from China, Tesla's biggest market, also contributed to the jump in its valuation. NIO Inc., NIO, a leader in the Chinese electric vehicle EV market, reported a staggering decline of more than 7,000 in the total number of vehicles delivered. But XPeng Inc., XPEV, delivered more than 10,000 vehicles in October for the second straight month. Observers say that XPeng's results are good news for Tesla watchers because it means that China's EV market is still thriving. Tesla reports its China October numbers next week. 8. A drop after the pop. It was a different story. Tuesday, November the 2nd, Tesla's stock price fell 5% in pre-market trading and has continued its downward trajectory after the markets opened. Many news developments Tuesday morning contributed to the reversal. First, Tesla CEO Musk clarified that his company had not yet signed a contract with car dealer Hertz Global Holdings Inc., HTZZ, to sell 100,000 of its EVs. Then Tesla announced that it was recalling nearly 12,000 vehicles due to a software update to its driver assistance fully self-driving FSD software that resulted in false activation of the car's emergency braking system. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) said that Tesla has uninstalled the previous version of the software, FSD 10.3, and released an updated version, FSD 10.3.1, for the affected vehicles. NHTSA also stated that it would continue its conversations with Tesla to ensure that any safety defect is promptly acknowledged and addressed. The company's autopilot feature is already under investigation by the NHTSA. Recent volatility in Tesla's stock price is a continuation of an ongoing story that started at the beginning of the shutdown. Investors and traders have poured money into the company after it reported record deliveries and revenues amid a crippling supply chain crisis and chip shortage that has hampered production in multiple industries. Increased urgency around climate change and a regulatory pivot towards electric vehicles and renewable energy have further boosted Tesla's stock price and sent it skyrocketing to become the world's most valuable car company. However, the car maker's continued entanglements with regulators over the safety of its EVs and problems with scaling its operations across continents have dampened this path, resulting in precarious slides in its growth trajectory. Some also believe that the stock is overvalued. In his program on CNBC yesterday, Jim Cramer referred to Tesla as a phenomenon that seems to go up endlessly on nothing. 7. What happened? Shares of Tesla NASDAQ TSLA rose sharply again on Monday, extending last month's huge run-up for the stock into November. The electric vehicle maker's stock was up by about 4.4% as of 11:43 AM EDT. This put its total gain since the beginning of October at about 50%. It also pushed the company's market capitalization even farther past the $1 trillion level it recently crossed. 6. So what? While the primary reason for the growth stock's gain may simply be continued momentum from its torrid run last week, two other reports that are circulating could be helping as well. First, the company announced on Monday that it is launching a pilot program under which it will make 10 of its supercharger stations in the Netherlands usable for non-Tesla vehicles. Non-Tesla vehicles will pay more than Teslas for a charge, but a membership program that lowers the prices will be available, the company said. If the pilot program goes well, this could lead to a new revenue stream for the automaker. Additionally, the company launched a leasing program in China that lets customers get their hands on Tesla vehicles with no down payment. While the aggressive leasing program could be good for demand, it also signals that the automaker is confident in its ability to ramp up production to meet the demand it already has. Otherwise, why bother initiating such an aggressive new financing option? 5. Tesla stock rallies after huge order from Hertz. Shares of Tesla gained strong upside momentum and moved closer to the psychologically important $1,000 level after a Bloomberg report indicated that Hertz ordered as much as 100,000 vehicles from Tesla. According to the report, Hertz's order should bring an additional $4.2 billion of revenue for Tesla, which means that the car rental company is buying cars without a material discount, which is typical for such deals. For Hertz, the deal is a way to start the electrification of its fleet after the recent bankruptcy. For Tesla, the deal is a confirmation of its leadership in the EV space, as Hertz chose Tesla over its competitors due to the company's ability to rapidly produce EVs. According to the Bloomberg report, the vehicles will be delivered over the next 14 months. 4. What's next for Tesla stock? Tesla managed to get above the $900 level after the solid quarterly report, and Hertz's order may push the company's shares to the $1,000 level. Analyst estimates for Tesla's earnings have improved in recent days, which is not surprising after the good quarterly report. Currently, analysts expect that Tesla will report earnings of $5.86 per share in 2021 and $7.77 per share in 2022, so the stock is trading at roughly 124 forward PE. Estimates will have to be adjusted again after the deal with Hertz, which is bullish for the stock. While Tesla remains a richly valued company, the robust improvement in earnings estimates in recent months provided significant support to the stock as traders ignored valuation concerns and bet on fast growth. As long as Tesla manages to keep its growth story intact, traders will continue to ignore the company's high valuation. It should be noted that Tesla's RSI is in the extremely overbought territory, so the risks of a pullback are high. But the stock may gain additional upside momentum as the $1,000 target is near and speculative traders rush to join the rapid move. 3. Tesla technical analysis. According to Tesla's financial statement, the market cap of the company is at $1.11 trillion, with assets worth $57.834 billion. Revenue for 2020 was $31.54 billion, with a profit margin of 2.19% compared to $24.58 billion in 2019. Moving averages such as exponential moving average 10 over 987.72, simple moving average 10 over 967.61, exponential moving average 20 over 917.08, simple moving average 20 over 883.51, exponential moving average 30 over 876.06 are indicating a buy action. On the other hand, oscillators are mixed, with some like stochastic RSI fast 331414 over 98.32, Williams percent range 14 over negative 0.38, bull bear power 265.77, and ultimate oscillator 71428 over 66.73, indicating a neutral action. 2. Recent developments. Tesla is the leader in the electric vehicle industry, which is only going to get bigger in the years ahead due to the fear of climate change. Sky-high oil prices and worldwide fuel shortages have pushed customers more and more towards EVs in recent years, which will only work in Tesla's favor. For instance, Tesla has recently received a massive 1 million vehicle order from car rental company Hertz. While its self-driving technology isn't perfect yet, it is still advanced, which could push revenues even higher. However, the company did have to roll back its latest software update, which concerned many. Tesla's most recent Q3 results indicated good growth, with production up 67% year-on-year. Automotive revenue for the company increased by 58% over the same period. This resulted in a net income of over $2 billion for the latest quarter. However, Tesla was forced to limit production due to microchip shortage, which was eventually solved when CEO Elon Musk developed a new software program allowing it to use different microchips. The company targets to produce 20 million cars a year by 2030, which will be double the output of most other large automakers. It is also in the process of rolling out its intelligent driving software. This will be sold on a subscription basis, which could prove vitally profitable in their vehicle manufacturing sector. It has delivered over 241,000 vehicles in Q3 2021, which further puts the company in a good position. 1. Should you buy TSLA shares? Investors looking to buy TSLA should look at some risks, especially considering its valuation. It is trading 22 times sales currently, which is quite high. Insiders have also been selling a significantly large amounts of shares after the recent share price rise. For instance, board member Ira Ehrenpreis sold more than $200 million worth of Tesla shares, while Antonio Gracias, a former Tesla board member, also filed his planned sale of $610 million worth of shares. There are also concerns that Tesla may not remain the leader in the electric vehicle, as other companies like GM, Ford, Porsche and Volkswagen are all catching up. Given the high valuation, investors can keep the shares on their watch list. However, picking them up when they are over $1,000 seems a risky move, as there are better growth stocks currently in the market. Do share with us in the comments what your thoughts are about Tesla, and please subscribe to the Stock Advisor. Thank you for watching.